Today, I'm taking on the challenge of creating the most unique Kadaifi you've ever seen. And trust me, it's nothing like your usual samosas. When we think of snacks from the Middle East, our minds immediately jump to samosas. I'm excited to share with you why this pastry is about to become your new favorite indulgence. Another reason people tend to stick with samosas is that they think Kadaifi is too complicated to make at home. In Turkey, it's paired with cheese and herbs to create a savory masterpiece. The versatility is staggering. And I'm excited to share my own spin with you. So, what sets this Kadaifi apart? By layering the dough and fillings in a specific way. You create a pastry that's both delicate and indulgent. What's your favorite Kadaifi recipe or snack? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more cooking videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.